Some companies, when they see that there's several changes that need to be made, they will combine them together. Microsoft does this. They decided years ago to turn around and take all the patches that they're going to release and always release them on, we often call it Patch Tuesday, one Tuesday every month. And the idea behind that is instead of rolling out patches continuously every few days, no, we'll, for the most part, hold the patches, roll them out as one big batch. Now, there are exceptions to this. If there's an extremely important patch, that patch may be released mid-month. But the idea then of a release is a collection of the authorized changes that are going to be made that are then brought together and all released at the same time. Now, obviously, these changes could just be enhancements to functionality. They could be new functionality. They could be fixing up a little flaw within the logic or a process flow. They could very much be a fix of something that wasn't working correctly, or as we know, in many cases, they're dealing with a security vulnerability. Then we roll the changes out. Now, one of the ways to do this is a phased rollout. Let's roll it out to a few systems first. Try in this case to make sure they work correctly before we then roll it out to the rest of the organization. Now, the challenge with this is how many releases are coming. It can be difficult in some cases for an administrator staff to keep up with all of the patches that are out there. And in some cases, we've seen this especially lately with some of the Java and Adobe related patches, we've had several patches within a week. How do we keep up and roll those out effectively to all of our machines as quickly as they're coming? And yet we know they've got to be done quickly as well. But what is this all about? We want to keep our systems running. We want to have quality of our systems. And quality assurance here is the testing and trying to protect our systems from some type of an outage. This means we verify that all of our changes, have been authorized. We make sure that all changes have been tested and that they've been implemented in a controlled manner.